Hello, amazing English learners, and welcome back to SpeakFlow English. I'm Mr. Whale, your English coach for structure, clarity, and precision.
And I'm Daphne. We're here to help you kick off your week with energy and purpose. Today's topic is something everyone faces: how to start your week organized, motivated, and fluent in English.
Exactly. The beginning of the week sets the tone for everything that follows. In English, this moment is full of planning language, phrases that show confidence, preparation, and leadership.
Right. We'll teach you not just vocabulary, but how to sound calm, confident, and ready to take action. That's how professionals speak on Mondays.
Unlike the relaxed small talk on Fridays, where people ask, "What are your plans for the weekend?" Monday English focuses on goals, progress, and schedules.
So whether you're talking to your boss, your classmates, or your study partner, today's expressions will help you sound organized and fluent. Ready?
Let's begin the week in English style with clarity and purpose. Let's start with two powerful questions you'll hear every Monday morning. These are the kinds of questions professionals use to start their week clearly and confidently. What's on your schedule this week? What's on your schedule this week? This question is short but powerful. It means, what are your plans? What's important to you this week? It's how coworkers or managers check priorities in a friendly way. What are your main priorities right now? What are your main priorities right now?
Now, how do you answer? Use this chunk, I need to handle. It shows focus, professionalism, and confidence, like you know exactly what matters most.
My top priority is finishing the report. My top priority is finishing the report.
Let's try that together. Ready? Repeat after us. First slowly, then naturally.
My top priority is finishing the report.
Excellent. You sound focused already.
Now, here's another natural expression. I need to handle. This one means you have something important to take care of, maybe a task, a problem, or a responsibility.
I need to handle all the emails today. I need to handle all the emails today.
Perfect. You can also replace emails with many other things. Listen and repeat these examples.
I need to handle some phone calls this morning. I need to handle a few reports before lunch. I need to handle a client meeting later today.
See? It's flexible and powerful. With just this pattern, I need to handle, you can talk about almost any responsibility in your week.
Let's do a quick review. When someone asks, "What's on your schedule this week?" you can answer with either, "My top priority is," or "I need to handle."
And don't forget, say it with calm, positive energy. Mondays don't have to sound stressful. They can sound productive, confident, and fluent.
Exactly. Now, take a deep breath. Repeat one more time, and let's move on to the next section.
Now, let's talk about your to-do list. This is the language of productivity, where English becomes action. To-do list conversations are full of verbs and time expressions. That's how fluent speakers sound clear and efficient.
Exactly. English speakers don't just say, "I have many things to do." That sounds too general and unorganized. Instead, they're specific, focused, and proactive. Listen carefully. Here are your power verbs for this week.
I'm working on. I have to finish. I'm trying to get through. I need to handle. I'm following up on.
These expressions help you sound professional and in control. Let's hear them in real context.
I'm working on updating our website. I have to finish a report by Tuesday. I'm trying to get through all my emails before lunch. I'm following up on last week's meeting notes.
Good. Notice the rhythm. I'm working on, I'm trying to get through, I'm following up on. Each chunk starts with an action, because fluent English is action-focused.
Now, let's make it practical. When you talk about meetings or scheduled tasks, use these examples. I have a meeting scheduled for Tuesday. We're planning a quick call tomorrow morning. There's a brainstorming session on Wednesday. I'm setting up a meeting with the team later this week.
Try repeating them with me, slow first, then natural speed.
I have a meeting scheduled for Tuesday. I'm trying to get through my to-do list.
Nice. These phrases are perfect for office English, but you can also adapt them for study or personal life. I have to finish my English homework by tonight. I'm working on organizing my notes. I'm trying to get through all the lessons by Friday.
And when you agree to do something in work, school, or teamwork, here are some professional ways to respond. I'll make sure to follow up on that. I'll take care of it right away. Let me double-check and get back to you. I'll put that on my to-do list.
Let's make it even more realistic. Imagine you're in a meeting and your manager or classmate says, "Can you handle that task?" Here's how you can respond naturally.
Sure, I'll handle that. Got it. I'll follow up by Thursday. No problem. I'll make sure to review it. Let me schedule that for later today.
Excellent! Notice how these short answers sound calm and confident. They're not rushed. They show control, responsibility, and teamwork.
Exactly. Fluent speech isn't about speed, it's about clarity, rhythm, and confidence. Even in short sentences, your tone says, "I've got this."
So, remember, when you describe your week in English, be specific. Use action verbs and speak with confidence. That's how you turn your to-do list into a done list.
Let's train rhythm and pronunciation. This is the secret to sounding natural and confident when you speak English. Fluency isn't just about knowing the words, it's about how they flow together. So let's practice that flow.
Step 1. Chunk practice. Chunks are groups of words that native speakers say together, naturally, almost like one sound. We'll repeat each one twice, first slowly, then naturally.
What's on your schedule this week? My top priority is finishing the report. I need to handle all the emails today. I'll make sure to follow up on that.
What's on your schedule this week? My top priority is finishing the report. I need to handle all the emails today. I'll make sure to follow up on that.
Exactly. So when you practice, don't speak word by word. Speak in phrases, in rhythm. Now let's move to step 2, intonation drill. This is where you train your tone, how your voice rises or falls.
Say these questions with a rising tone at the end. It sounds friendly, open, and curious. Are you free on Thursday morning? Can we schedule a quick meeting? When you ask a question in English, your tone goes up slightly at the end, just like you're smiling with your voice. Try that again in your mind. Friendly, curious, open.
Now, let's try a falling tone. It shows confidence and finality. Use it when you're sure or confirming something. My top priority is finishing the report. I'll make sure to follow up on that.
See the difference? Rising tones invite, falling tones close. This control over tone makes you sound professional, calm, and clear.
Now, step 3, connected speech. This is how native speakers naturally connect sounds between words. Let's take this sentence. What's on your schedule this week? We don't really say each word separately. It becomes, what's on your schedule this week? Smooth and continuous.
And the same happens with, I'm trying to get through my to-do list. It connects like this. I'm trying to get through my to-do list. No stops, just flow.
That's the magic. When you connect sounds, your English becomes natural, musical, and automatic.
Let's add a few more examples you can repeat daily. I'm going to finish it today. I'm going to finish it today. I want to talk about the report. I want to talk about the report. Let me know if you're free. Let me know if you're free.
These are not mistakes. They're real spoken English. You'll hear them in every conversation, meeting, or movie.
So remember, rhythm, intonation, and connection. Those three elements make your English sound natural, not robotic.
Exactly. Practice these chunks every morning for 1 week. It'll change the way you sound from learner English to real conversation English.
This is how you move from classroom English to real, confident, everyday English.
Excellent job! You now know how to plan your week in English with focus, clarity, and confidence.
Your weekly challenge. Write or record yourself saying your top 3 priorities for the week in English. Use our chunks. My top priority is, I need to handle, I'll make sure to.
Follow up on this challenge daily. Monday English builds professional habits, and professional habits build fluency.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your goals below. Let's grow together, one conversation at a time.
Until next time, keep speaking, keep flowing, and start your week like a fluent speaker.